Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm excited to guide you through an easy process. First, navigate to the top left corner and click on the File tab. From the drop-down menu, select the export icon. Next, click on Create Handouts. You'll see a small panel appear in the middle of the slide. This is the page layout for Microsoft Word. Click on the Outline Only option and then hit OK. Now, open Microsoft Word, and you'll find all the outline text from your presentation. You can easily adjust the text size, alignment, and other formatting options as needed. And that's it. You've successfully exported your slide outline from PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.